has an eagle's eye.
And everything was done to my markings by Mansi's team and her.
She handed over within the time limit.
Absolutely no hesitation in recommending anyone.
So really, she has done magic.
And everything was done precisely.
Everyone liked her work.
मी प्रोफेसर नरेंद्र शहा, IIT पवई या संस्थेमध्ये गेली 32 वर्ष मी काम करत होतो आणि 2020 साली जेव्हा माझं रिटायरमेंट जवळ आलं त्यावेळेला मला बाहेर घर घेणं भाग होतं आणि मी ते घर घेतलं. मुलुंडमध्ये वाधवांचा ॲटमॉस्फिअर एक प्रोजेक्ट आहे जिथे मला 27व्या माळ्यावरती एक घर मिळालं. मी ते घेतलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर मला एक मोठा गहन प्रश्न असा पडला की IIT या संस्थेमध्ये मला 1500 स्क्वेअर फूटचं घर होतं ज्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही गेली 30 वर्ष राहिलो. तर आता नवीन घेतलेल्या घरामध्ये 750 स्क्वेअर फूटमध्ये जवळजवळ 2:1 प्रमाण अर्ध्या एरियामध्ये स्क्वेअर फीट एरियामध्ये मी कसं सगळं माझं घर हलवणार हा माझ्यासमोर आमच्यासमोर म्हणजे माझ्या मिसेस नीता शहा आहेत त्या बोलतीलच. तर आमच्या दोघांच्या समोर असा प्रश्न आला की हे आपण कसं शिफ्ट करूयात, कसं बसवूयात आपलं सामान. तर अशा वेळेला आम्हाला एस इंटेरियर ही जी कुर्ल्याची कंपनी आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये मिसेस मानसी मांजरेकर इंटेरियर डेकोरेटर आहेत, ज्यांचं इंट्रोडक्शन मला माझे साडूभाऊ डॉक्टर अल्लाद ढेबरी जे आहेत, ज्यांनी कनाकिया रेन फॉरेस्टमध्ये फ्लॅट घेतला आहे आणि ज्याचं इंटेरियर केलं आहे, तर त्याचं मी समक्ष जाऊन बघून आलो. कारण तोसुद्धा प्रोजेक्ट मिसेस मानसी मांजरेकर यांनी केला होता आणि अतिशय उत्कृष्ट पद्धतीने आणि व्यवस्थित टाईमशीर असं मला जे दिसून आलं तेव्हा माझ्या मनाची खात्रीच वाढली की आपल्याला सुद्धा हे अशा प्रकारचं दिलेल्या बजेटमध्ये दिलेल्या वेळेमध्ये प्रोजेक्ट करू शकतील याचं मला शाश्वती वाटली. आणि देन येस, फ्रॉम वर्ड गो इन द मंथ ऑफ जून 2021 we started the project with Mansi and we had given that 15th August we want to call our relatives and want to have a puja, and just before that on 10th she handed over the entire flat to us. And we really appreciate and we feel, I think we would have absolutely no hesitation in recommending anyone who would like to have a sort of interior decoration, not only in terms of paper or 3D drawings or software this ones, but putting it in actual real life things. And about the material selection and choice of colors, for example, someone like me, a professor, I'm a color blind person. I do not see perception, I do not perceive colors, I do not see that kind of I do not have that perception. So my wife Neeta, who has got that kind of a flair for choosing colors, and she and Mansi then subsequently went and she'll tell more about what was sort of their yeoman's role both Mansi and Neeta carried out.
I'm Neeta Shah, Professor Naren Shah's wife, and when I came to this flat, that was the big question mark, how the interior will be done. Okay, then of course Mansi, we had seen Mansi's work at my sister's place at Kanakia, and we really loved the way she has worked. So without any hesitation we wanted Mansi that she should be carrying out this work. Most important, whatever budget she had given, it was like budget and the time limit, that was perfect. It was within our budget and within our time limit. She completed the project. She said 2 months, okay, she handed over within the time limit. And the most fun part we really enjoyed was we shared recipe also while traveling to many places. Like we used to go and select the material, and I got surprised. Whatever recipe I told, next day she was so much busy, but next day she was ready with that particular recipe, you know. So it was at the end we became a family, you know. It was like it was really fun working with her, and same time she was very disciplined with her carpenters and all that. So that should be like wherever we went, that those shops and all that. And what I liked, her selection, you know, the choice of the colors, you know, like she was having those color combinations in the mind, and she really helped me selecting everything, carpet, the curtains, and the
Do you want to
sofa.
get
If I could have gone alone, it could have been difficult selecting this color combination, but after the house was done, I really felt, oh, it's really, she has done magic. So I'm really happy with her work, and I always recommend, I always tell my friends, you know, that if you want to do interior, please go ahead with Mansi.
I think already 10 families have come
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
There's a project in Dombivli.
And of course, whosoever has attended our puja function, everyone said, "Oh, Pune mein karegi kya?" Yeah. So like everyone liked her work. And our son Prathamesh, who is a sound engineer, he wanted that his sound system, this amplifier and all that, it should be perfectly fitting, okay, wherever he says. So he gave that design to Mansi, and accordingly Mansi could satisfy whatever his needs of amplifier setting and all that, you know. So at the end he was very happy with the requirements, whatever he said, and Mansi could do it perfectly.
Hi everyone, I am Prathamesh. I am Narendra Shah and Neeta Shah's son. So what I have contributed to this house and what my gift to this house was this 5.1 system that you can see over here. This is like a Dolby playable kind of a system, and what Mansi's team helped me with and Mansi herself helped me with is with the overall marking of the speakers, the placements of the speakers around the TV, and mainly I just gave her the cables, and the team just laid out the cables themselves. As you can see in the video, you can't see any of the cables popping out. Everything is neatly concealed over the false ceiling, and especially the surround speakers, because the amplifier is kept there, and there's around 11 or 12 feet run that is happening above the false ceiling, and everything was done precisely as required. When it comes to surround sound, you need a specific position for the speakers, because there needs to be a sound field that has to be created when you need that movie experience, and everything was done to my markings by Mansi's team and her. So that was very satisfactory, and now we can enjoy a movie theater kind of experience sitting in our house.
Of course, there are many memories when we did shopping together in Bhiwandi. You know, all the artifacts. This is the, you know, we couldn't find a good one, but when I just looked outside the shop, I said, "ये भी आप बेचने वाले हो, ये सेल पे है?" So that shopkeeper said, "हाँ मैडम, आपको चाहिए तो ये मिल जाएगा आपको." So those kind of experience, we didn't like anything from that big shop, but whatever was outside outside the shop displayed, that we liked it, you know. So then it was really good, and it was difficult selecting. I mean, such a big place, so many malls, furniture malls, but Mansi knew it. Which one is the good shop? Best shops are there, you know. We just couldn't go. We didn't go at so many shops, you know. We just went to 4 or 5 shops and we selected everything. What I liked our this crockery unit also. This unit also, she has made it well, and selection of sofa, that was also. It was going a little bit out of budget, but somehow we got it accommodated in our budget. Yeah. About this center table. I was not sure it will be matching with our sofa and all that, but Mansi was damn sure. No, madam, take it, go ahead. I'm telling you, it will be perfect for your this sofa and all that. And really, after when it came home, I mean, when it was delivered, I said, yeah, really. I mean, so she has an eagle's eye, you know. So thanks a lot, Mansi, for giving us our dream home.
अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को ज़रूर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आपको हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत आ जाए।